Hello, friends. Today I am demonstrating a new product from Lewis Woodwork, a local family-owned business specializing in high-end artisanal crafted wood products. They've creatively used a waste byproduct from their woodworking to create the latest product, cocktail smoking wood chips. Here I have a maple and a cherry. The maple wood imparts a deeper, smokier flavor so it pairs well with whiskey or bourbon, while the cherry has a lighter sweet note that could be used with wines or other cocktails. Each jar comes with its own stainless steel strainer. I'll be using the maple chips today with a 12-year-old Glenmorangie single malt Scotch whiskey. Just a pinch into the strainer basket. Be sure that you place the strainer on a fireproof surface. Grab your lighter and light the chips. They will begin to smoke. Slowly move your glass over the smoking strainer to fill it, and then as the chips burn off, you can set the glass over the strainer. Be sure that you don't put the glass over while it is too hot, or you may crack the glass due to temperature. Let the smoke fill the glass and then remove. Fill it with whatever cocktail you're making. And a side note, either one of these chips can also serve to smoke your vegetables, meats, or seafoods to impart a smoky flavor too. If you'd like to get hold of these for yourself or gifts, I put the contact details below. Cheers!